And now for the news in detail. Prime Minister Narendra Modi today held bilateral and delegation-level talks with Crown Prince and Prime Minister of Saudi Arabia Prince Mohammed bin Salman bin Abdul Aziz Al Saud in New Delhi. The two leaders reviewed the various facets of bilateral ties and discussed ways to further unlock the potential of the India-Saudi Arabia strategic partnership. Speaking during the meeting, Modi said this partnership is crucial for the stability, welfare of the region and the world. He said Saudi Arabia is important for India. Modi again thanked the Crown Prince for his contribution in the success of G20 summit. He said yesterday a decision has been taken to start a historic economic corridor between India, West Asia and Europe.
इस काउंसिल के अंतर्गत दोनों कमेटी की कई बैठकें हुई हैं, जिनसे हर क्षेत्र में हमारा आपसी सहयोग निरंतर बढ़ रहा है। बदलते समय की जरूरतों के अनुसार हम हमारे संबंधों में नए और आधुनिक आयाम जोड़ रहे हैं। भारत के लिए सऊदी अरब हमारे सबसे महत्वपूर्ण स्ट्रैटेजिक पार्टनर में से एक है।